Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming system readiness and an unobstructed face. Make sure your iPhone 16 is updated and has sufficient battery, then remove sunglasses or heavy makeup. Open Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, and authenticate with your passcode. Once you tap Set up Face ID, follow on-screen prompts to position your face in the frame. Move slowly when prompted to capture different angles so the sensor learns your appearance across typical variations. You now perform the two-part scan that trains Face ID. Keep your face centered and move your head slowly to complete each circle. This teaches the true depth camera the 3D structure of your face. If you wear glasses or a hat sometimes, include them in one of the scans so recognition improves. Once the first scan completes, the device prompts a second scan. Repeat the motion. If the capture fails, retry immediately or use alternate appearance to add a different look. Once enrollment finishes, enable the features you want: iPhone unlock, App Store, Apple Pay, and exit settings. Test Face ID by locking the phone, then raise to wake or tap the screen and glance at it. You should feel a subtle vibration and see the lock icon open. If it fails, make sure the true depth camera area is clean and you're in good light. If problems persist, go to Settings Face ID and passcode and reset Face ID, then repeat enrollment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.